What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel. Another BMW Z3 video. So this one the other day, it's actually really funny. Like, I always hand wash my truck, and I hand wash the Z3. And I haven't taken a power washer to it yet. And I was like, the other day I was power washing the outside so we could sell our house. And I was like, what the heck? I'll hit the car. So I hit the car, and this is what happened. So this is the emblem that goes here, and it peeled the sticker right off of it. I mean, obviously it just aged and got brittle and just blew it right off. So I got this off of here to measure it, and it's a 78 millimeter. 78 millimeter is a very tough one because it looks like it only came on the Z3. But I finally found one, and it is not OEM. But it is 78 millimeter. Link in the description below. And OEM is like 45 bucks for these things. So this one's gonna work good, but you gotta get that extra adhesive off of there and then put some on here because this one has none. So let's get to it. Got the majority of it off, so now I'm just gonna take some alcohol and get the rest of it off. No, not the kind you drink. Bam! 70% isopropyl alcohol, not 5% Leinenkugels. I'm gonna call that good, okay? I mean, look, it's a little bit, but I mean, it's kind of not even really there. Yeah, that's why you can see it, right? But no, I'm gonna call that good. It's gonna be covered up, whatever. Let's prep the new emblem, which I don't really have anywhere to do this. I guess I'll try and squeeze in here and utilize what space I don't have. Yes. Okay, so yeah, right about there. You can tell I finish projects, right? I do, I just don't take care of stuff. That's the problem. Look at that. All nice and shiny. Which is actually funny because this part comes off and then you stick it on here, which, I mean, I guess I could put it right on here. But, I mean, I broke one of the tabs off, so it doesn't really matter. So, maybe I'll stick it on the car first and then put the sticker on. That sounds just fine to me. So when I put this on, I'm gonna leave room to trace around it. Do it however you want. This is just how I want. So, I mean, it just, you can't really form this 3M tape around it very well. So then I'll take another piece, which is pretty much about what's left. I'll cover the top, just like that. So, I mean, see, you can see there's excess, and I'll trim all that off, just to get a nice ring around the outside. That's all it is. Another piece like that. And one final piece down here. Then of course I got 2 small spots here that I can use these trimmings to easily fill. Just cut a little thin spot like that. Just put her in there. Another thin spot on this side. And this is, I'm just using this 3M tape because this is just what I have laying around. You can get emblem glue and all that kind of stuff, but I tried using it once. I didn't like it because it was really runny. I used it to put the BMW emblem on the front of the golf cart, and it wound up running down. Thankfully, I already had it ceramic coated. So it just wiped right off. But then I'm gonna just trim all this excess, just like that, guys. And then if you want, you can trim even more with like your utility knife or whatever, but I'm gonna call it good. It looks good to me around the edges. So then I'm gonna trim out the inside because that stuff's not even gonna fit, so. Never cut towards yourself. There. See? Now all I gotta do is peel the backing. Tabs in the holes, obviously. I don't think I really need to explain that one, but hey, you never know. Bam! Buddy! Look how good that looks. We're missing something. Duh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Now that it's on the car, I can just visually put that bad boy on there. What there looks straight. And I think there is clear on the front of this as well, so you can, I hope so, because it looks like it. Yeah. Oh, shiny. And then we'll peel off the backing. Oh, garbage. And then we'll put it on. But I gotta set you guys up for that. Can't hold you. I don't want to mess this up. Yo, yo. Picture, please. Say cheese. Oh! Thumbnail! Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. There you guys go. Another DIY improvement on your BMW. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and just a couple little fixes on the Z3, and that looks so good. And until we meet again, later.